Once you type in sba.gov/page/disaster loan application, once you type that up in Google, this screen will pop up right here, and that's when you know you're on the right screen. And what you'll do is you will scroll down to start your application for the loan, $10,000 loan. Then you're going to see a blue box here that says COVID-19 EIDL loan application. You're going to click that blue button to apply here. Then a screen is going to load for the application to start, and that's when you know you're on the right screen page. Disaster loan assistance. You have 3 steps to this application to become eligible for the loan. Okay, and let's begin. Now here is page 1, step 1 of how to fill out the SBA Small Business Disaster Loan Assistance application, COVID-19 Economic Injury Disaster Loan application. So here I'm going to show you, it's already filled out already for you guys. I'm just going to give you a brief description of what's, on what to put in. So as you can see, this is step 1. It's 3 steps to this application, so I'm showing you step 1. We're on step 1, which is the business legal name. You're going to put your name. I already filled the mines out. And then the trade name is going to be your name again, which is right here. And then for the EIN section, Social Security number for sole proprietorship, you're going to put either your Social Security number or your EIN. The EIN could be your business number, and then you could either put your Social Security number. Now, the next one, which is the organization type, you put sole proprietorship again. And then, is the applicant a non-profit organization? No. Is the applicant a franchise? No. If you're not a franchise, click no. So no would be for both of them. Now the gross revenues, you could put for 12 months, you could put 30,000, 40,000, whichever you want to put. Cost of goods sold, 30,000 again. For rental properties, right here, you would leave it blank. And nonprofit blank, compensation blank, provide brief description will be blank. So now we're going to go here to primary business address. Right there, you're going to put your address. The city, you're going to put your city, what state you live in, zip code, and your business phone number, etc., etc. And then your business email. Then you're going to put the date the business was established. The business was established, what date from the time you started your business to the present date. That's what you do. Okay? Your current ownership since both of the dates should be the same. Now we're going to go to business activity. Now right here, I'm going to click on it so I could show you. Business activity, you could choose from agriculture, automotive repair, automotive sales, business services, communication, construction, contractors, whichever is suitable in your field, whichever goes with your field, you pick it. Okay, as you can see here, I put educational services. Now once you pick which services you do for a living, the detailed business activity column is going to pop up to match the field of your business. So I chose educational services, so that means I picked daycare because I run the daycare. Now the last one is number of employees. You could put 1, 2, 3, or 4, whichever is suitable for you. Now we're going to go to the next page, which is business owner's information, and it says, is your business owned by a business entity? You're going to click no. Then it wants your business detail again. Your name, your first name, last name, fill that out. Mobile number, your title, office, ownership. You're going to put owner for title ownership. Title, office, ownership, you're going to put owner. Your ownership percent, you will put 100%. You are 100% ownership of that. Then your email address, your social security number again. Then you're going to put your birth date. Then you're going to put the place of birth where you was born. If you choose to, you don't have to because it's not marked in red, so it's not really necessary for you to do that. Then you're going to click off yes if you're a U.S. citizen. And then here you're going to put your residential address, your city, your state, your zip code. Then we're going to go down to the bottom. Once everything is all fully filled out, you're going to click next. Step 3, this is the last page, you guys. Okay, this is additional information. They ask you in the past year, has the business or listed owner been convicted of any felonies? So we know you can't get a loan if you have felonies or committed crime and stuff. So those are basically crime questions. If you owe any government funding, grants, loans, you got any criminal information, arraignments, or all the legal, have you been convicted? So anywhere in the United States, if you've been convicted or you owe government money, college loans, you cannot apply for this loan. So everyone knows this. So you would click no for all 3. As you can see, I got all 3. Click no. Then you're going to scroll down and it says if anyone assisted you in completing this application, you would choose no. If someone is sitting with you at your home helping you with this application, if you choose to, you can put their information inside the blue box. I would recommend you don't do that. Okay. It says, I give permission for SBA to discuss any portion of this application with the representative listed above. That's not applicable because you didn't put anyone in that blue box up there. And then you're going to put your bank information where to send your funds. If you have a prepaid debit card with a bank account number, you could use that as well. Or you could use your regular bank account, whichever suits you, whatever makes you happy. And then once you fill out the bank information, you scroll down, you read the disclosure information here, and then you're going to click here, I hereby certify under penalty of perjury under the laws of the United States that the above is true and correct information. So you're going to click that check. You're going to check that off in a blue check, you guys. And if you choose to, if you are a reader, you have an attorney with you, etc., you can also click here for additional statement required by laws and executive orders. If you want to read the rules and regulations on that, it's more paperwork that you can read for you to better understand. Now, once you're done, this will light up. Next, you click next, and once it's up next, a screen will pop up with your confirmation number. Okay, and that will be all for the SBA Disaster Loan Assistance application. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get approved for your application. See you guys in my next video.
Before you say a lie, it's gonna come to the light. Put the mirror to your face and smile and